Look here, Nana. Yesterday I discussed sound propagated in medium. The medium name is gas. Sound propagated in the medium. Velocity of sound in gases formula I give gamma P by rho. Here gamma is adiabatic constant, P indicate pressure, rho indicate density of given medium. The medium name is gas. Ideal gas equation P by rho write as R T by capital M. P by rho write as R T by capital M. Here R is a universal gas constant, T is a absolute temperature, capital M is a molecular weight. We know that in the first year kinetic theory of gases, RMS speed of the gas, root mean square speed of the gas is under root 3 RT by capital U. This is the RMS speed of the gas. The question agenda is find the relation between velocity of sound in gas and RMS speed of the gas. This is find the ratio. Here left side velocity of sound in gas by RMS speed of the gas, okay, equal to right side RT by M cancel. Finally we get gamma by 3 nana. According to this equation, velocity of sound equal to here under root gamma by 3 into RMS speed. Okay, this is the formula for velocity of sound and RMS speed. What is the relation? V sound equal to under root gamma by 3 into VRMS. This is the relation between velocity of sound and RMS speed of the gas. Then a small doubt. Gamma is a adiabatic constant. It is a constant for a fixed gas, nana. So that's why this is the relation, nana. Look here, nana. Look here. Velocity of sound directly proportional to RMS speed of the gas. The graph is drawn between velocity of sound in gas. That means sound propagated in the gas. V sound velocity of sound की RMS speed of the gas की graph is directly proportional according to mathematics. The graph show a straight line. The graph show a straight line. V sound directly proportional to V RMS. V indicate velocity of sound in gas directly proportional to velocity RMS velocity of the gas. The graph shape is straight line and this is JEE problem. Okay, this is very important relation. And what is the important relation? Velocity of sound in gas is equal to under root gamma by 3 into VRMS. Okay. Next, nana, here, nana, look here, nana. In the first year, the gas. 3 types of gases are there, nana, in the universe. One is monoatomic gas. The best example is helium. Single atom, nana, helium. Next one is diatomic gas, nana. Third one is triatomic gas. Okay. Look here, nana. Diatomic gas example is O2, N2, H2. That means N2, 2 atoms is there. Tri means ozone nana O3. అంటే 2 కన్నా మోర్ ఉంటే ట్రై. ఈ ట్రైకే అదర్ నేమ్ పాలీఅటామిక్ గ్యాస్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. పాలీఅటామిక్ గ్యాస్. 3 types of gas are there. Mono, dia, tri or poly. We know that CV అంటే specific heat at a constant volume. Molar specific heat at a constant volume. Its value for monoatomic gas 3R by 2, diatomic gas 5R by 2. This is tri or polyatomic gas 3R. What is the CV value for monoatomic gas? 3R by 2. Diatomic gas 5R by 2. Poly or triatomic gas 3R. Here R is a universal gas constant. Next I discuss CP. CP means molar specific heat at a constant pressure. Its value is for monoatomic gas 5R by 2. Diatomic gas 7R by 2. Tri or polyatomic gas CP value 4R. Okay? We know that gamma is nothing but the adiabatic constant that is CP by CV. This by this gamma value for monoatomic gas 5 by 3. Diatomic gas 7 by 5. CP by CV. R by 2, R by 2 cancel. Here finally we get tri or polyatomic gas 4 by 3. Okay, in the first year we know the relation between CP and CV. We know that CP minus CV equal to what? R. This is the relation between CP and CV. What is the CP by CV? CP by CV equal to gamma. Gamma value for monoatomic gas 5 by 3. Diatomic gas 7 by 5. Polyatomic gas 4 by 3. In the chapter, what is the velocity of sound traveled in the gas formula, and wrote gamma RT by capital M. Okay, this is the formula according to Laplace correction. Okay, these are all formulas to use, all methods to use to solve the problems in the chapter. And again, I discuss one more topic, reflection of the wave at rigid end. Look here, reflection of the wave. Reflection of the wave at rigid end. Look here, reflection of the wave at a rigid end. Look here, this is the wave. This wave propagating along the x-axis, along the positive x-axis. This wave is called incident wave. Here, the wave propagating along positive x-axis, displacement of the particle formula is y equal to a sin omega t minus kx. We know that y incident wave equation is, once again I repeat, wave propagating along positive x-axis, displacement of the particle formula is, this is called incident wave. Incident displacement is a sin omega t minus kx. Here a fixed rigid end is placed. This is wall, for example. This is fixed wall. Here, look here, the wave fall on the rigid end. This is the rigid end. Here density of the medium changes because of rigid end. It moves here, look here crust will be torn into trough, here trough will be torn into crust. Look here, here at rigid end, medium, density of medium changes, the wave is to be reflect. Here reflect means here crust will be torn into trough. అంటే ఇక్కడ crust దేనిగా మారిందన్నా ట్రఫ్గా మారింది. ఒకవేళ ట్రఫ్ గుద్దుకుంటే దేనిగా మారుతుందన్నా క్రస్ట్గా మారుతుంది. క్రస్ట్కి ట్రఫ్కి మధ్య యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే, ఫేజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది అంటే 180 degrees. అంటే రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ వేవ్ అనగానే ఇక్కడ a ఇంటూ సైన్ ఆఫ్, లుక్ హియర్, the wave initially propagating positive x-axis, after reflection it moving in the negative x-axis. Negative x-axis అయితే omega t plus kx and again plus bt. Here crust will be converted trough అంటే ఎంత యాంగిల్ చేంజ్ అయింది 180. మీకు కింద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 ప్లస్ తీటా ఆల్ సిల్వర్ టీ కప్స్ నుంచి మైనస్ సైన్ తీటా వస్తుందన్నా మైనస్ ఏ, because sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta, that means sin of omega t plus kx, ఇదిగోనా theta 180, sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta, ఇక minus sin theta. That means this is the reflected wave formula. This reflection occur at rigid end. At rigid end. Look here, Nana. Here crust turn into trough, Nana. Trough turn into crust. That means ఎంత angle change అవుతుంది? 180 degree change అవుతుంది. Next, Nana. Here reflection of the wave at free end, Nana. Look here. Reflection of the wave. Reflection of the wave at free end. Look here, Nana. This is the pole, Nana. Pole. Look here. This pole is fixed. Okay. This is the wave, Nana. Look here. This is the string ORR. This is string, Nana. This string is connected by using the ring, Nana. This is the ring. Here, this string is, it will be oscillate, moving up and down, Nana. It will form a wave, Nana. This wave is bombarded to the ring, Nana. Here, look here. This is the ring suspended by the rod, Nana. Here, this wave bombarded to the ring, Nana. The wave is nothing but the energy. Because of energy, the ring moving downward, Nana. Ring moving downward. Ring moving. Sorry, Nana. Here, look here. Look here. Once again, repeat. This is the free end. This is the rod. Same topic, Nana. Don't here. Look here. This rod is fixed at one end, Nana. This is the string. Look here, Nana. This is the string, Nana. This string is fixed to the ring. This ring is suspended in the rod. Okay, look here, Nana. This is the rod, Nana. Here ring is there. This string moving up and down. It will be produce the wave, Nana. This wave bombarded to the ring, Nana. Wave is nothing but the energy. So ring moving upward, Nana. Ring moving upward. But here earth is there. Because of S gravity, this ring moving again downward, Nana. Downward. Here, Nana. Look here, Nana. Look here. Here. This is wave. It is reflected. Look here, Nana. Here, trough. Turns to the trough. Suppose crust is there. Crust turns to the crust. Trough turns to the trough. Once again I repeat, Nana. The wave bombarded the ring moving upward. But because of gravity, ring moving downward at original position, Nana. At the same time, the wave reflected. Here, trough turns into trough, Nana. Crust turns into trough, Nana. Rigid end లో ఏమైంది? క్రష్ దేనిగా మారింది? ట్రఫ్ గా మారింది. ఇక్కడ క్రష్ దేనిగా మారింది? క్రష్ గా మారింది. ట్రఫ్ దేనిగా మారింది? ట్రఫ్ గా మారింది. మరి నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన ఎనర్జీ ఎడిపోతుందంటే రింగ్ మూవింగ్ అప్వర్డ్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ గ్రావిటీ అగైన్ రింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి సేమ్ పొజిషన్, నానా. సో ద రింగ్, ద వేవ్ ఈజ్ గెటింగ్ crust turns to the crust but in opposite direction. Suppose incident wave propagating along x direction, y की formula a sin omega t minus kx. This is incident wave, this is reflected wave at the free end. At the free end, crust turns into crust, theta value 0 degrees, ORR 2 pi, sin of 360 plus theta, sin theta. So that's why same, nana, omega t plus kx. Why here plus, right? Reflected wave traveling along the negative x direction. Negative x అయితే ఇక్కడ ఎలా రాయాలి? ప్లస్. ఓకే, ప్లస్ 360. Sin of 360 plus theta, sin theta. Here, this is the incident wave. This is the reflected wave. Okay, this is the reflection of the wave at a free end. These points we keep in your mind. It is a most important points, nana. Okay, next, nana, I solve some problems, nana. One keyword also give the problem, nana. Look here. Anytime two gases mixture అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, Anytime two gases are mixture means both the gases are combined ఉన్నప్పుడు గామా మిక్చర్ ఫార్ములా ఇందాక గామా అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏం చెప్పాను సిపి బై సివి దట్ మీన్స్ సిపి మిక్చరు బై సివి మిక్చరు ఇప్పుడు సివి మిక్చర్ కావాలనుకోండి సివి మిక్చర్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో ఫార్ములా ఇయర్ N1 CV1 ప్లస్ N2 CV2 by N1 plus N2. What is the CV mixture formula? This formula is applicable only for two gases are mixture. Nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas mixture. Oxygen gas, hydrogen gas mixture. What is the CV mixture formula? N1 CV1 plus N2 CV2 by N1 plus N2. Here N indicate number of moles, CV indicate molar specificity at constant volume. మరి CP మిక్చరు అంటే డైరెక్ట్ షార్ట్ కట్ ఫార్ములా CV మిక్చరు ప్లస్ R. We know that CP minus CV equal to capital R. Okay. Next here for example molecular weight of the mixture అన్నాడు అనుకోండి. Molecular weight of the mixture is N1 M1 plus N2 M2 by N1 plus N2. What is the molecular weight of the mixture? N1 M1 plus N2 M2 by N1 plus N2. This is the formula for molecular weight of the mixture. Okay. These all formulas are both the gases are mixing together. Okay. Next class I solve the problems of velocity of sound in gases. Okay. Next class look here, very important class. Okay.